So we got this question based on current topic. It says find the set of A's for which this. So this is the point lies inside the parabola y. Okay, we missed y square. So the curve S is y square plus 4x. And in this case, they are interested in substituting this point inside the parabola. Okay, I hope you remember that condition. So for inside, S1 should be smaller than 0, means point satisfaction should be smaller than 0. So in place of y, just substitute minus 2 minus a whole square plus 4 times x is a, smaller than 0. So you have to solve this linear inequality. Now you know that both are minus, so you can take minus common. Minus 1 square will become plus 1 square. Okay, now you can open this bracket. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now let's rearrange things. So a square plus 8a plus 4. Now you have to factorize it. Yes, you know that you cannot factorize, so I'll take help of Sridhar Acharya rule for its roots. Okay, so a equals to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so it is minus 8 plus or minus, so it is 48 by 2, 16 into 3, 48. So can I go with minus 8 plus minus 4 root 3 by 2? Can I go with, I'll write first the smaller one. Okay, so minus 4 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 plus 2 root 3. I'll write this thing as x1, this thing as x2. So can I write a minus x1 into a minus x2 smaller than 0. Now substitute these things on number line. So x1, x2. You know that extreme right is always positive. Now you have to jump x2. Look at the power. Power is odd. So change sign. Now jump x1. Look at the power. Power is odd. So change the sign. So this is the sign. So we are interested in finding the room which is smaller than 0. This means the negative rooms. Correct? Now, so I'll write a belongs to x1. Okay, so minus 4 minus 2 root 3 comma minus 4 plus 2 root 3, both side open bracket, because it is less than, it is not equal to, hence the required set of values of a is this. I hope idea is clear.